Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing Beast Clippers by Skullshavers. I'll also provide my impressions on it. Thanks to Skullshavers for sending out a review on it to me. This is a decent packaging. If it goes out a retail box like this, it would be much more informational to the customers. Some of the features listed in the box include cordless use of 60 minutes with a 4-hour charge, LED battery indicator, 3 pivoting settings, and adjustable taper layer um, to get a better haircut. So let's open the box. This is more of a standard packaging of any trimmer with some instruction manuals. There is an how-to guide provided in the box. Interestingly, it calls as an extension to your palm, which is almost suits for the product. So there are some fun facts of time and money which is saved, different combs provided and their details, and what not to do is also listed over here, which gives a good explanation of how to and how not to use the product. It includes a USB charger. Even though you don't have the dock, you can charge it with any of your phone charger. Oil to help the machine, a set of 8 combs with different sizes, and a cleaning brush as well. So there is also a stand given so that you can have it in your washroom. So here comes the base clipper itself. It's packaged well. It's very heavy sized and feels like a good built product. There are 8 different comb clips which are provided in the box, which varies from the common cut number of 0 to 3. And these are distinguished with colors, so you can easily remember which color you usually use. And there are designated clips for your left ear and right ear as well. Let's jump into the base clipper. Um, as I told you, this is a very good built product. Just by handling it, I can easily say that. And there are good grips provided. There's a protective case which is given for the clip. Um, so the there is a battery indicator on the top and a battery button, power on off button. The blade also looks very sharp, like it feels it's well designed product. So as I said, there are 3 different levels of tapered cut settings which are provided for the closeness of the cut. So you can adjust how close you want the hair to be cut. So I hope you can see the blade moving further and far from the blade. So how to handle this? You just put your fingers to get a grip of it, and yeah, you can go in the motion, and just make sure you're not aligning perpendicular the blade to your skin. So you can hold it this way, you can hold it in the previously shown way, whichever way you're comfortable. So let me also put a clip onto this and show you. Boom, that's it. Now you're good to go with the desired length of the clip. And this is how you can also go through your hair to get used to that motion with your hand, and then you can also do it in a reverse wave depending on your hair. There are 3 pivoting angles for an angled haircut. This is how you use the stand. I wanted you to listen to the sound it makes during your haircut. So that was just a sound, and there was a battery indicator previously, and it doesn't make any sound. Like, even some people have complained about the sizzling of the sound when you hit it or put the clip onto it. I did not experience that, and based on my experience and the general um, haircutting suggestions, go with the highest length of the clip to the shortest. That allows you some room to change corrections. So I basically came across this product just because of the ongoing pandemic, and I don't want to step out to get a haircut. This is the best way to get your own haircut and save a lot of time and money even in the future. So I would personally recommend to go buy this one product from their website. That's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and like the video. I'll be back with another interesting product very soon. Thank you.